Hi! In front of me is NOKIA T21 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this tablet. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for Auto Rotate icon and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, after that, automatic screen rotation is disabled. If you wish to enable it, click on the same shortcut again. You can also go into settings instead, scroll down and access display. Then scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate Screen to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!